Working with ZMC Visual on a tablet and have an EKB data file? These contain tablet-specific data from a visualization application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these ZMC Visual tablet data files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure EKB formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. EKB Files are data files used by ZMC Visual, a tablet-based visualization or design application. They contain structured data, including drawings, annotations, measurements, or other content created within the ZMC Visual environment on tablet devices. EKB files use ZMC Visual's proprietary format, storing tablet-specific data with vector graphics, annotations, measurement information, and tablet input metadata, following the application's specification for content creation and management on tablet platforms. The direct link for opening EKB files is established with ZMC Visual Tablet for AutoCAD from ZMC. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your EKB file and select Open With. Test ZMC Visual Tablet for AutoCAD. If it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the EKB file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in ZMC Visual. Install ZMC Visual on your tablet device or compatible platform and use the File Open function to load the EKB file. The application displays the data with full editing capabilities, preserving all original content and tablet-specific input data like pressure and stroke information. Next, synchronizing across devices. Use ZMC Visual's cloud synchronization features if available to access EKB files across multiple devices. Sign in with your account credentials to enable seamless transfer of tablet data between phones, tablets, and desktop systems for cross-platform workflows. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Within ZMC Visual, export EKB content to standard formats like PDF, PNG, or SVG for sharing and use in other applications. The exported files preserve visual content while enabling viewing on systems without ZMC Visual installed for broader content distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.